In this lesson, I will explain to you some more features of Prezi. So see, here is our presentation and this is the agenda topics are here, right? So if you want to write down your name, so what you have to do, you have to double click or select this, and I am going to write down my name here. After this, I'm not going to write down my date of birth, so just delete it, right? And with the help of this square, you can move wherever you want, and with the help of these arrows you can increase or decrease the size of this box as well, right? If you want to bring in center or right alignment, then you have to go here and set your settings. Now suppose this one is our budget, this is finance, this is balance sheet, this is income statement. We want to add some more sorry, this circle, purpose circle for trial balance. Yes, you can add. So far we have learned the style options, background, topic, shape, right, colors and text. Go to insert. We are going to learn insert. If you want to add some more circles, so you have to click on this topic, and then you can see another circle will be there, and all these are linked, right? If you will click here, you can do the same function from here or there as well. I do not want this, so I'm going to delete this. Here just double click whatever you want. I want to show trial balance to my audience as well, and again with this you can set wherever you want to set, right? Go back here, then we can see how our presentation looks. Click here, this is the present button, and we will see our topic number one is budget, right? After budget, second topic is finance. In finance we are going to show first quarter results. Then if you want, you can show some audience to your audience, some graphs, some visualizations, right? So in this way you can make your presentation more attractive. And now our third topic is balance sheet, our fourth topic will be income statement, and our last topic which I just set is the trial balance, right? Press the escape key, then you will go to your original home page and click on the back here, right? Okay, now go to the insert as well. If you want to add some text here, so this one is for text. Click here whatever you want, right? Again with the help of this square arrow you can move anywhere. Here I'm just going to show you that suppose if we want to write down accounting, so you can write down, because this balance sheet, income statement, these are the terms of accounting, that is why. So where you want to set and whatever color you want to give, you have to select, go to these colors and do it, right? Go to the insert as well, and this is the image. If you want to add some image from here, you can select whatever you want, right? If you want, you can upload your own image. Suppose if you have saved on your desktop or USB, then you have to click here upload images, right? And then you can bring it wherever you have saved from your USB, desktop, or wherever. How simple it is, right? And then this is the icon button. Click on this icon. We have different kinds of icon. If you want to add any icon here in your presentation, right? Suppose this one. So see, it's coming here. So suppose he is the person who wants to present this presentation. If you want to add some pictures, so yes, you can add it, and with the help of these arrows you can increase or decrease the size as well wherever you want to set. Again, I am only show you, right? And then go to the insert. If you want to add some arrow lines, some shapes, this is the shapes. Click on shape, same thing. See, if I will click here this shape, this shape is there. Where you want to set, I am going to decrease it the size. Suppose if you want to set it, you can do here, right? So these are the different things. Arrow and line, if you want to add some arrow and lines, video charts, we will discuss in our next no, sorry, in the next presentation. But these are the arrows if you want to add, and at the end you are able to show your presentation to your audience by clicking on this present button. So I hope this is clear. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.